Hello again. May I welcome you to another session in this series of wellness and prevention. This series is aimed at sharing a few ideas, talking about a few concepts that are prevalent today and that I feel are important to discuss. So, what shall we discuss today? Maybe this time I could share with you a small exercise. How would that sound? Let's do a small exercise and let us see whether we could establish what is the foundation behind this particular topic, and really do we require to discuss it at all, because I guess uh, first and foremost that is the most important detail that I need to understand whenever I'm sitting with a person, whether I'm sitting with them face to face, or I'm sitting down with a family, or I'm giving a general presentation to a crowd. So yes, prevention and wellness, should it be a priority? Is it a priority? Does it deserve your time? And what exactly are we going to be talking about? Now, when I'm talking about a priority, that itself, that itself is a magic word. Priority, what does that mean? Something that demands every moment of your waking hour. When you wake up in the morning, you have priorities, isn't it? And after you wake up, you get ready and you're ready to go to work, and then you have other priorities. Maybe you have priorities at home, depending on what you do, or you have priorities at your office. So throughout the days, we have different priorities. Now, we also have different areas in life. When I was doing my studies and when I was training, I was shown something called the 5 F's. Now, what is this 5 F's? Very interesting, because for me it made this message very, very simple. And may I share this with you? The 5 F's constitute all the areas that we have currently in our life in general. So, what would be these 5 F's? If you've got a piece of paper, well, you can start jotting down. The first F, let me say, is the first F. Let us decide and specify it is faith. So that is, yes, that is quite a huge area in our life. The second F, well, that would be family. The third, what could the third be? The third, well, you could say it is linked to your career, so let's call it finance. After finance, what could be most important? Yes, we are discussing health today, so let's call it fitness, right? Have you got all the four? And can anyone help me with the fifth one? What could the fifth be? It's friends. So I hope you've got all that down. Well, I will repeat for your convenience. First was faith, the second was family, third was finance, the fourth was fitness, and fifth would be friends. Now, if you have done this and if you have jotted down on a piece of paper, what I would like you to do is, let's create a hierarchy. What does hierarchy mean? Let us number these in order of importance. What would you say would be the most important to you? And not only for the day, not just for just the one day. I guess this will hold true at whatever situation or circumstances you are right now in life. Let's begin with the first one. A lot of people would say that faith is the most important, and I would never disagree. Faith, absolutely. A spiritual life in a human being is the most crucial. But what about the others? And how do we number them? Because I was a little, well, I don't know how about you, but I was a little confused. So what would you say? Would it be faith? Because some would say, no, it's family. Probably family would be a higher priority right now. What about the people who have a demanding career, right? A demanding career, and that takes a lot of your time. So would you like to rate that higher above? Or would it be a social life? Some of you have a demanding social life, because that's also possible with today's technology. Well, let me suggest, or rather I would encourage you to do this exercise, because this was what I had done when I had began. So it's always the best part to start. Let us begin in the beginning. And if you notice that wherever you rate any of these F's, if I might help you and take fitness, what is fitness and what is health, and should it be a priority? Because that's the topic that we are discussing today. Well, I would not like to elaborate. I would like to be very, very brief, because this is just a small chat that we're going to have. Let me point out, or let me maybe probably try to show you that if our area of health is not up to the mark, or let me specify and say below average, if a person is in poor health, what would be the degree, or what would be, let's say, the quality of any of these other areas? Can he do justice to his faith? Think about it. Could he do justice to his family? What would be the energy that he would have, the energy or the time or the effort that he could devote to his career in the area of finance? And finally, yes, friends, if you are healthy, you can enjoy their company, and they'll also look up to you and would look forward to spending time with you. So here, if you do this exercise, you will see that wellness or health is a very, very important, crucial part of our lives. With this exercise, I would ask you, think about your priorities, think about these areas, because finally it is you who's going to evaluate and do this most important task of determining what you should focus on a daily basis. And that is where maybe we could come in and we could work together to help each other. Thank you.